Hello everybody. This is our first course in front-end programming for the Innova project. This course focuses on HTML programming. HTML is the standard language to build simple web pages. So, follow my steps and we will build together our first web page. HTML is a simple language. To program we will need an editor. The best simple editor is Notepad. So everybody, let's open our notepads. An HTML page is consisting of elements. Each element is defined with tags. An element within tags is activated and the same element within tags with a backslash is deactivated. The initial elements that any HTML page must include are HTML, head, title and body. Let's type in our notepads these 5 tabs. Look at my example. All these elements are mandatory. The element HTML is a pointer of where our web page starts and where it finishes. The element body is a pointer of where our main content of the web page starts and where it finishes. Everything that our web page will have, texts, images, links, will be included in the body element. Note how the elements are activated and deactivated. What about including our first text to our HTML page? We just have to write the text in the body section. Look at my example and do the same. At first, we simply type the text. How to format the text? If we want to format this text as a title, we just use the H1 element. Look at my example and do the same. Now, let's add some more text to our web page. Let's format this text too. We can use 2 basic elements, the element P and the element font. The element P creates a new paragraph. The element font formats the text according to our preferences. For the element font we use the attribute size and face. Observe that the attributes are included within the tags of the element font. Look at my example and do the same. Now we will learn how to insert a link to our web page. The link is defined by the element A. The main attribute of the element A is href. Href indicates to what address we will be redirected when the link will be selected. Look at my example and do the same. We have learned how to insert text and links to our web page. Let's learn how to insert an image. The element img is used. The img element has the attribute src, which is the source of the image, for example a file in our computer or an image in the internet. Also, the img element has the attributes width and height. Width defines the width of the image. Height defines the height of the image. Let's try this. Look at my example and do the same. This example uses an image that is stored in my computer's desktop. Now let's make some more formatting to our web page. We can use the P element so as to format all the other elements such as the link and the image. Also we can have a color background to our web page. This can be done by using the color attribute in the body element. Look at my notepad and do the same. Now let's save our web page and see what have we accomplished. Select File in the Notepad menu. Select Save As. Select all files. Choose a name for the web page. Use the extension HTML. And now let's open our web page. I am choosing desktop because it's the place where I saved my HTML. Double-click the web page and here it is. Thank you very much for attending this short and basic course in HTML for the Innova project.